Hey guys, so quick video for you on how we can reset the Maytag dryer. So it's super simple. All you have to do is that you want to turn it off, unplug it from the wall or flip the breaker. You want to then wait 60 seconds and then you just want to restore the power and turn the appliance on. That's it. So you're gonna turn it completely off. You can unplug it or flip the circuit breaker off for 60 seconds or like up to 5 minutes. And then you just want to plug it back in and turn it on, and this is what should help you to actually fix it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.